Hi students, welcome at KitKat Digital Learning. I am your English teacher. Today I am presenting you lecture number 4 and topic is learning to count from your book We Learn English Class 1 published by Oxford University Press. Before I start our today topic, I would like to advise you few topics for effective learning and takes maximum benefits from KitKat Digital Learning. Like and subscribe to your school channel so don't missing any video. Carefully listen and watch video from start to end. Find out the answer of the question from the video. Let's start our topic learning to count. In this unit we learn two topics poem 1 to buckle my shoe and what are they doing. Let's start our first topic poem 1 to buckle my shoe. Recite this poem with actions. ये poem actions के साथ पढ़ें. 1 2 buckle my shoe. 1 2 buckle my shoe. 3 4 knock at the door. 5 6 pick up sticks. 7 8 lay them straight. 9 10 a big fat hand. Now start our second topic. What are they doing? वो क्या कर रहे हैं? Look at the pictures and say what they are doing. Pictures को देखें और बताएं कि वो क्या कर रहे हैं. What is Nasir doing? नासिर क्या कर रहा है? He is riding a horse. वो हॉर्स पर सवार है. What is Ahmed doing? अहमद क्या कर रहा है? He is painting a picture. वो तस्वीर बना रहा है. What is mother doing? मदर क्या कर रही हैं? She is cutting vegetables. वो vegetables काट रही हैं. What are Asad and Ali doing? असद और अली क्या कर रहे हैं? They are playing football. वो फुटबॉल खेल रहे हैं. What is Sarah doing? सारा क्या कर रही है? She is working on the computer. वो कंप्यूटर पर वर्किंग कर रही हैं. Read the underlined words again. Underlined words को दोबारा रीड करें. All these words are called verbs. इन तमाम words को verb कहते हैं. These words tell us what somebody is doing. ये words हमें बताते हैं कि कोई क्या कर रहा है. Students, hope you enjoyed and learned basic concept of topic today. We have presented on the platform of KitKat Digital Learning. Don't forget to find out answer of the questions and reply answer of the questions on within 22 hours to maintain your summer vacations learning project marks as total 10 marks in your final term exam based on reply all questions. Hope to see you in next topic and learn more new concepts. Thank you and bye bye.